I'm going to review the QUIKCORE Starter Kit. Thank you to Tool Talk for sending me this tool to review. In the kit you get a drum adapter and the core bit adapter, along with a knockout tool and the clip for fixing the two adapters together. I've only had a chance to use this tool a couple of times due to Christmas not being at work, but already love it. So much so I've already ordered the rest of them to cover the rest of the core drill kit that I have. It's as simple as setting your kit up with, get your core bit, put the adapter in there. Once it's in, stays in, never need to take that back out. That end you will either put on your extension bars, but you also need one to stay on the core drill. To use it, all you need to do is line up these two little holes. Get your circlip that comes with it, clip it together, job done, you're good to go. When you're finished, just clip that clip back off. It is quite tight, but it needs to be. At this stage your core will be full of what you've been drilling. Knockout tool, put that little adapter in the end, use this and just give it a good push, and that'll push out your brick, your block, whatever you've been drilling. Simple as that. Good thing about these, it does still accept your standard pilot bit that came with your core set. It is quite expensive for what it is, but it's a great time saver. Stops you wrapping your knuckles with your spanners. Always a win-win. Once everything's set up, there's nothing else to do. You've also got the added bonus there. I've sometimes been about an inch short of getting right through the wall, and then you have to take it off, have another extension bar just for the sake of it. With those on, you're actually gaining about 2 inches on your standard extensions. My setup now, I've got one on the drill, a single extension, double extension and a triple extension. You can even put them all together if you need to. These adapters are safe for use from 38mm up to 152mm core bits. With the 38 you do have to be careful. The size of this clip is only fractionally smaller than the 38mm bit. They do state this on the website. It's a bit of a warning. Drill carefully, because if this comes into contact with the wall, it will do damage and it'll be knackered. You'll have to get some more. Simple as that. To sum up, it's a handy invention. Surprised it wasn't brought out a lot earlier, to be honest with you. Simple, effective, great time saver. Ideal for plumbers, heating engineers, and it's great when you're drilling multiple sized holes on the same job. So you can switch from your 38 to your 52, 51, 127, anything you want. Quick change within seconds. You're off to drilling the next hole. Thank you.